The reason that full range of motion dips are killing your chest might not be what you think. So the actual reason why is because your sternum or your chest bone, the big bone right here that connects all the rib cage together and goes up to your collarbone, isn't as flexible and strong as it needs to be to get into that bottom position. So I'm gonna show you a few of the exercises that I implemented to allow me to do, like you just saw, full range of motion dips without any pain in my chest as well as my shoulder. Because I will say, I literally could not go down all the way. It felt like my chest was going to explode. I also will say that I'm using rings here. These are much harder than a normal stable thing, but it goes the same to any of those normal dip handles at the gym, which I'll show a picture if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about. So what you can start as a first exercise is just a basic dip hold. And even though you're not going down in that full range of motion, this is still building a lot of the strength through your shoulders and triceps, as well as a little bit through your chest, which if all of those muscles are stronger, the second you go down into that bottom position, they're going to be able to withstand more of a load, okay? So you're kind of just building tissue tolerance in that top position. The next one you can move into is then a either assisted or unassisted bottom hold. So I like starting out with an assisted one where you just kind of let your legs dangle down. Hopefully your gym has little platforms on the dip machine so you can like hold it onto with your leg. If not, I would get a box and just kind of prop your feet up on there. Sit tight in this bottom position and just practice kind of stepping back and forth and feel that weight shift way into your chest and your shoulders in this position up into a point where if you feel comfortable after a couple weeks, you can take your feet off. It's hard for me to do there. You can take your feet slowly off the ground, maybe take 1 foot off the ground and just hold that bottom position. Those 2 exercises will honestly probably get you along the way completely, but I got a couple more for you that can increase your overall mobility and strength faster. So since we're focusing on body weight strength here, you can also boost up a push-up position where you have 2 weight plates or 2 sturdy boxes to the side, basically something that's not going to crash down or break when you're pushing into it. And this is the same concept. You're going to get in a push-up position, go all the way down, and then through this, you're going to feel a stretch through your shoulders, maybe a little bit through your chest, and then push up. It's not going to be the same exact plane of motion as that one, but you're still, like I said, we're building the strength through a full range of motion through all the connective tissue through that sternum or your breastbone. And you guys are probably gonna hate me for this, but doing full range of motion dumbbell press with a neutral grip where you allow these to dangle and even maybe go to the side a little bit is going to strengthen your chest and shoulder muscles to get them super bulletproof for that dip movement. This one is really gonna check your ego because you're not gonna be able to half rep a bunch of heavy dumbbells like you're used to. However, you will be able to do dips pain-free. Practice all of those movements 2 to 3 times a week and you'll be doing full range of motion dips without any pain in no time.